Hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain how to revise genetic disorders within 10 minutes. See, genetic disorders are broadly classified into two types. The first one is Mendelian disorders, which is caused due to alteration or mutation in single gene. The second one is chromosomal disorders, which are caused due to variations in chromosomal number. Now, let us move towards the first Mendelian disorders. See, the first one is Hemophilia, and it is caused due to X-linked recessive gene responsible for factor number 8. So, it is due to the absence of or less number of clotting factor, and it is also known as bleeder's disease and royal disease. Why it is also known as royal disease? Because see, the Queen Victoria's pedigree analysis showed that she was the carrier of this disease, and it is more in males due to the presence of only one X chromosome. Next, let us move towards second Mendelian disorder, color blindness, and it is caused due to X-linked recessive gene, which prevents the development of color-sensitive retina cells. See, there are two types of color blindness. The first one is monochromatism. If a person is unable to distinguish a single color, then it is known as monochromatism. And the second one is dichromatism, and it is of two types. The first one is red color blindness or protanopia. Here individual can see grey instead of red. The second one is deuteranopia or green color blindness. Here individual can see grey instead of green. Next is sickle cell anemia. It is caused due to autosomal recessive gene present on chromosome number 11. And it is characterized by sickling of RBC due to the production of abnormal HBS. This HBS differs from normal HBA in just one amino acid in 6th position. That is glutamic acid replaced by valine in 6th position. Due to this replacement, the RBC changes its shape from biconcave to sickle. Now let us move towards phenylketonuria, PKU. The cause of this disease is autosomal recessive gene present on chromosome number 12, and it is due to the absence of an enzyme called phenylalanine hydroxylase. This helps in the conversion of phenylalanine. It's an essential amino acid. This phenylalanine should be converted into tyrosine in our body. If it is not converted into tyrosine because of the absence of this enzyme, the phenylalanine accumulates in the body, which results in mental retardation, lighter skin and eyes. Next is thalassemia, and it is caused due to autosomal recessive gene present on chromosome number 16. And here there will be production of abnormal hemoglobin, which leads to anemia, fatigue and stillbirth. See, it leads to destruction of RBC, especially destruction of globin molecules. There are two types of thalassemia. The first one is alpha thalassemia. Here the alpha chain will be affected, and the second one is beta thalassemia, where beta chain is affected. Next is, let's move towards the chromosomal disorders. In that, first one is Down syndrome. It is an autosomal abnormality and one among 1,000 births. Actually, what happens in Down syndrome is there will be a presence of extra chromosome from 21st pair. Hence, it is also known as trisomy, 2n plus 1. And chromosomal complement or karyotype of males is 45A. A means autosomes plus XY. And in females it is again 45A plus XX. Now let us see the characteristics of this Down syndrome. They are small stature, they have small eyeballs, salivating mouth, swollen lips and tongue, stubby fingers, spongy toes and low IQ. Next is second one, Klinefelter syndrome. It is an allosomal abnormality due to the addition of extra X chromosome, hence trisomy, 2n plus 1. And the karyotype or chromosomal complement is 44A plus XXY. Hence they are said to be sterile males. And the characteristics of this syndrome is they are tall stature and the body shows obesity, scanty hairs, tendency towards feminine characters, gynecomastia or the development of breast also we can say. Next, no sperm production, underdeveloped testes and low production of androgen. Now let us move towards the third chromosomal disorder in your syllabus, that is Turner syndrome. It is also an allosomal abnormality due to the absence of one X chromosome. Hence monosomy, 2n minus 1. And the karyotype or the chromosomal complement is 44A plus X0. Hence they are said to be sterile females. And the characteristics are their small stature, large chest and webbed neck. They do not attain puberty, no menstrual cycle, underdeveloped ovaries and breast, and they do not produce ovum. So these are all the genetic disorders which are given in your syllabus. Hope this helped you. Thank you for listening.